I'm Lauren, and in this video I'm going to show you not one but 3 ways to add music to a TikTok. I'll show you how to add music from TikTok's library, how to add your own music, this is how many people have gone viral, and lastly how to add copyright-free music using Veed, our online video editor. I will pop all the timestamps down in the description below so you can go straight to the chapter that you need. With that said, let's get into the video. First up, how to add music to a TikTok within the app. We're going to open up TikTok, press the plus sign down the bottom, and now up the top where you see add sound, click that. You can type any song into the search bar, tap on the one you want to use, and then press the tick. Now click the music note up the top again, and down the bottom next to your selected song, you'll see a scissors icon. Click on it. Now you can select the portion of the song you want to use for your TikTok by pushing that track over. Once you've got it, click done. Now you can record yourself by pressing on the red record button, or you can choose to upload a video from your camera roll by clicking upload. And then select your video and hit next. Type out your caption, add your hashtags, and hit post. So that's how to add music to a TikTok within the app. Up next, how to add your own music to TikTok. So to do this, you will need to have a video with the music you want to upload ready to go. And don't worry if you're not sure how to do that, I've already created an entire video on this and I will pop a link on the screen now. Once you got your video with your own music ready to go, simply open up the app, click the plus sign down the bottom, upload that video, hit next, type out your caption, add your hashtags, then hit post. Once it's posted, we can head over to your TikTok page, open up that TikTok, and now down the bottom in the right hand corner, you'll see a CD with your picture on it. Click on it, and now click on the pen tool. You can now name your track anything you like and hit save. Make sure you post it publicly so other people can use your audio. If I click on the CD now, you'll see use this sound at the bottom. That means that other people can create TikToks to your track, and that's how to add your own music to TikTok. Lastly, I'm going to show you how to add copyright-free music to a TikTok. And if you're unsure about where to find copyright-free music, I will link my video for this on screen now. To get started, all you got to do is click the first link in the description, and don't worry, you don't need to download any software to get started. Now we're in Veed, we're just going to click upload file. Go ahead and choose the video that you want to use for your TikTok and just give that a moment to upload. Now in Veed, we have an entire stock audio library filled with footage and songs and sound effects. So to access it, just head over to your left-hand column here and click audio. Now click search. If I scroll through here, you'll see that they're all filtered by genre. You can take your time here, have a listen, find the one that's going to work best for your TikTok. Once you've selected it, it's going to appear below your video in the timeline. Now to trim the music, just drag it over so it ends in time with the video. And if you need to silence your video's audio, all you gotta do is click on that video clip and then drag that volume bar all the way over to the left. Now we can export our video. So just go ahead and click export in the top right hand corner, choose your render settings and hit export once more. You're going to give that a moment here to render, and once it's finished, watch it through once just to make sure you're happy. And then all that's left to do is hit download and download MP4. And that's it. That's how you add music to TikTok. I really hope you found this video helpful, guys. If you did, go on and give us a like, subscribe for more editing content and social media content, and leave me any comments or questions down below and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.